Hey guys, today we're gonna draw a cute cloud. So first we want to do is draw a line going up like that. Then you want to make a little curve. Like that. Then you want to connect it. It's almost like a triangle, but there's a curve on the top. Then you want to start like right there. You draw the line right there. Then do the exact same, like that. Then that's where you're gonna start making a little cloud. So make like little bumps. Don't need to be perfect. There we go. Like that. Then for the little thing that's on the top, I don't know what it's called. You want to draw little stripes like this. I'll show you. Let me just do this. Like that. And make sure to connect all of the way. Okay. Then you want to make a little circle inside. So try to make them the same size. Not too big, not too small. The exact same size. Then you want to make a circle like that. Half circle going this way. Then like a C going this way. Just like a normal C. Then you want to color in this. The extras right there. Do not color the half circles. So I'm gonna color that real quick. So it should look like that. So then you do the exact same for the little eye. Make a half circle. To make a narrow circle. Here, I'm going to color it in. So both the eyes should look like the same. The circles in the eyes doesn't need to be perfect. Then you can put eyelashes if you want. Makes it a little bit more pretty, but the boys don't need to do that. When you're making this for your brother, you don't need to put eyelashes, but you can. Then for the cheeks, I'm going to actually use a color for this one. There we go. Then you want to draw the little smile. Just like a normal smile. He's smiling like normal. And if you want, you can write your name on top, but I'm not going to do that. Then in the broken one, you can make little cloud. I said that's so long. And you can do this, but I'm going to show you real quick. You can make the picture 3D if you want. Yeah, I'm going to show you. Go where your little hole is, then like color in like right here a little bit. Just a little. Look, that does look like 3D. Then you can do that for the cloud too. There we go. And it looks like 3D. Yeah. I think it looks pretty good. Just gonna outline the red a little. Wait, this piece doesn't look 3D. So that looks pretty 3D to me. Not that 3D, but pretty 3D to me. I don't know. Do you guys think this looks 3D? So, I think that's all. Yep. So, bye guys. Love you. Bye.